Hello mommies and daddies, I am Pratiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Career Motherhood. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of how to remove body hairs and facial hairs from our babies. Though it is not a major source of concern, but still as a parent we get very worried. In fact, I was also very worried because my baby Divisha, when she was born with lots of hairs on her head. There were so many hairs that I used to comb since the first day she was born, and her body, especially on the back part, the hairs were so much that I really got worried that what to do, it will look bad when she grows up, and all these kinds of little issues comes in mind. So here we are going to discuss about these things only. So first let us understand what these hairs are for. These hairs are basically called lanugo, which are developed when the baby is inside the mother's womb, and these hairs are very fine in nature and they protect baby from the amniotic fluid in which the baby is in the uterus of the mother. So these hairs also shed off while after birth. By the time the baby is between 1 month till 4 months, between this period the hairs automatically shed off. But in case not, the parents are worried and they want to use any kind of home remedies to hasten this process of removing the hairs. So here in this video I will be discussing about the 4 remedies. The first 2 remedies I have applied on my baby, and in fact my mother also applied on me and my sister, and it really worked wonder, and there is no allergy, rashes or any kind of problem with this remedy. So we will discuss about everything in the video, and I will also discuss some important tips at the end of the video. So I request you to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out any important tip. And as it is a case of baby, we should not be really careless, so please to watch the video till the end. And before starting the video, I would like to request you to please to like the video, hit the like button if you like my video, and subscribe to my channel and share with all the friends and families, nannies, grannies, whoever is taking care of your baby, and the any person who is doing your baby massage or who is bathing your baby or anything. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing which we are going to make is that the normal wheat flour dough with a mixture of few ingredients which you are going to watch later in the video. See, this is very effective, which my mother applied on me and my baby, and really it worked wonder. Me and my sister both have not too much of hairs in our hand. Yes, there are little, but they are completely fine. They are not that visible that it will look really odd. So just watch this video, and it is very safe. I applied this on my baby on the 4th or 5th day, I suppose, and it really worked very nice on my baby. So you can just make this dough. It will hardly take 2 minutes and you can do it nicely on your baby. For this remedy, we need 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, homemade fresh cream, 2 pinches of turmeric, water to make the dough, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can take coconut oil or you can take almond oil, either of the 3. Now we are adding all our ingredients in the flour, wheat flour, and here we will take 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Almond oil, coconut oil, all are very effective. You can take either of them, whichever is available with you. Now we will mix everything nicely, and then we will add water so that we can make a nice dough. Try to make us very soft dough so that it doesn't hurt while you are rubbing on the skin of baby, and just keep on rubbing the dough nicely until and unless it turns out to be a very soft one. So now we will divide the dough into 2 parts, one part for the facial hairs and the other part for the baby's body. Now we are going to dip this dough in the oil and we will rub it on the skin. Please make sure not to rub very harshly on the baby's skin because they are as soft as cotton. And also make sure that you rub the dough in the opposite direction in which the hairs are growing. So in this way you have to rub, and you will see that the hairs will stick on the dough which we are using now. And this is very effective remedy which you can definitely try on your baby, and it will not cause any kind of rashes, bruises and allergy in your baby. And now we will use the smaller one on the forehead, cheeks and face part of the baby. Next thing is that a mixture of bread, fresh cream and raw milk, and I applied this on my daughter when she was around 1.5 months to 2 months, and this really worked wonder. I used to apply this mixture every day on my baby till she was 1.5 year old, and now also apply, but not every day, twice in a week, and that is completely okay with me. It really makes the texture of the skin so soft, so smooth, and the skin really glows like anything. So for this we need a one piece bread, raw milk, fresh cream, and container. You can take any bread, brown bread, whole wheat bread, or any normal white bread. Here I am taking atta bread, that is whole wheat bread. I have made pieces out of it. Then I am adding fresh homemade cream, and then I am adding raw milk. And if you don't have raw milk, you can take either the boiled milk also, but make sure it is in the room temperature. Now it's softly, we will make a nice paste out of it. We will mash it nicely, softly and gently, and see the paste is very much ready. It is very effective, and it also won't cause any kind of problem in your baby. Now see how I am applying this on my daughter Devisha. You just have to take a little amount and rub it on the skin very softly, all over the body, even on the face you can apply this paste. It won't cause any kind of problems or allergies in your body. What you can do, just do a nice massage with any oil you want. Then either you can do it in the massage area, or you can take your baby in the washroom and apply this paste, and then give a nice bathing to your baby, or you can just clean it out like this with a wet cloth, the way I am doing right now. Though my daughter's skin is not very fair, but her skin texture is very soft and very smooth. And see, you can yourself see the difference before applying the paste and after applying it. So this is very good remedy. I am doing this since she was 1.5 month old. So you must try this out. So here we need 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 2 pinches of turmeric. And we will add everything, we will mix everything, and we will make a nice paste out of it. If required, you can add little water also. Otherwise, with yogurt it will come out to be a nice paste. Just mix it nicely, and our paste is very much ready to be applied on our baby's skin. Now see how I am using this paste on my baby's skin. You just need to apply this paste all over the body. Again, this paste you can also apply on the face or any part of the body in the circular motion, the way I am doing this. Gram flour is considered as the most effective and natural cleanser, which is very beneficial for all age group people, and this is very nice home remedy which doesn't cause any kind of problem with anyone, even with a small born baby. So in this way I am applying this whole paste over her body. You can just give again a nice massage, and then you can give apply this paste, leave it for 2-3 minutes and give a nice bathing, or you can clean it with wet towel like the way I am doing now. But don't do it harshly, do gently. So now let's see the last remedy. It is very simple. We only need raw milk and 2 pinches of turmeric. Here I am using only 1 tablespoon of raw milk, and it completely depends upon the size of your baby. I am here using 1 tablespoon. You can either reduce or increase the quantity of the milk, and 2 pinches of turmeric powder, and we will mix both the thing, and our paste is very much ready to be applied on our baby. This is again a very effective remedy because turmeric is known for its very nice properties to add a nice fair skin of babies or anyone, we adults also. And see, I am applying all over her back area, hands and front portion or legs, anywhere you want. You can apply this even on the face, and let it dry for around 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes you will see that it is almost dry. You need not let it dry completely, because now we have to give it a massage like this in circular motion. See, it is not completely dried, and while massaging you will see the hairs will come out very easily. But you have to do this every day for best results. Not only this remedy, but all remedy you have to do it every day for the effective results. See, now you yourself can see the difference in color. You can either wipe it with cloth again, or you can give a nice bathing. So this is also done. So here you have seen all the 4 home remedies which are very good. You can apply any of them whichever suits your baby. But before that, I would like to share 3 important steps that before applying this Uptan, first thing which you have to do is you have to give a nice massage, or we say malish in Hindi. You give a nice massage to your baby, then apply this Uptan or home remedies, any of the home remedies which suits you and your baby. And third thing, give a nice warm bathing to your baby. Please don't apply soap or hand wash after applying these home remedies, because these are natural cleansers and there's no need to use body wash and any soap after this. Another important step is that before applying any of them, do a patch test on the elbow area or on the knee area, so that you can check whether they are causing any kind of itchiness or any kind of allergy in your baby. Just apply that mixture on the elbow area or on the knee area and leave it for 5 minutes. If the baby is getting cranky or is crying or any kind of itchiness is there, just don't apply it. Let the baby be comfortable and leave it. Try another remedy on another day, and that will be fine with you and your baby. Now we will discuss some important tips. The first thing is that go easy on your baby's skin. Don't rub the mixture which are shown in the video earlier on your baby's skin. Just apply with soft and gentle hand. No need to scrub, because that may cause rashes, allergies, or any kind of bruises in your baby. Second, use that mixture only with which you and your baby is comfortable, your baby is not crying and is happy baby. Third thing is that be careful in using raw milk, because in many of my mixture earlier I have used raw milk. In most cases they don't cause any kind of allergy, but in case you see any kind of allergy or any rashes are developing because of using raw milk, you can use boiled milk, but use them in the room temperature only. So that is also fine with the mixture which we are forming. Next thing is that in case you are seeing that the hairs which are the birth hairs of the baby are not shedding off by the period of 6 months, and if not shedding off, that is okay. But if you are seeing that the hairs are getting much darker and the skin is also getting darker, in those cases please discuss with your pediatrician. He may recommend you to go to any dermatologist, and then please take the advice of the doctor in those cases. Another thing is that if you are worried that even applying this mixture the hairs are not going on, or their hairs are coming back again and again, and that also in a good amount, then it is really a genetic and hormonal problem with your baby, because it completely depends upon the parents of the baby, the genetics of the baby. So please let it be. Don't try to scrub the baby's skin, because they are really soft like cotton. Let it be. These are hormones, these are genetics. So completely okay. Don't go so much on look. Let the baby be active, healthy and comfortable. Now the most important thing is that even after applying this mixture, you see that the hairs are going, then you have stopped using this remedies. I would recommend you that for best results you have to continue these remedies again and again, so that the skin also get nice glossy and the hairs are also permanently removed. And in case the hairs are coming back, those will be hardly visible and will be very fine, and that is completely okay. So just don't worry about these things. These are very natural, and homemade remedies are also very good. So I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with all the friends and families. Till then, happy parenting, happy life, stay healthy, stay happy, goodbye.